Today I'm going to teach you how to rotate and flip images in Wix. This is a really useful feature when you need to adjust the orientation of your photos to fit your website's design or correct an image that was uploaded in the wrong direction. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by opening your browser and heading to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will expand a drop-down selection showing you the different sites connected to your account. From this drop-down, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure this is the correct website where you want to flip or rotate your images. This step is important because if you manage multiple sites, you want to ensure you're editing the right one before making any changes. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct site, look toward the top part of your screen and locate the Edit Site button. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you directly into the Wix website editor screen, where all the magic happens and where you can customize every element of your site. Now that you're in the editor, start by locating the Add Element button and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the tools and features you can use to enhance your website. The Add Element window will expand, revealing a comprehensive list of all the elements available for customizing your site. From this list, find and click on Image. This is where you'll access all the image-related features. To demonstrate the process of flipping or rotating an image, we'll use a sample stock photo since the procedure remains exactly the same for any image you upload. Simply drag one of the stock images onto your website canvas. The image will appear on your canvas, ready to be edited and positioned wherever you need it. Once the image is added, click on it to select it. You'll notice that once it's selected, an Edit Image button appears. Click on this button to open up more editing options. A Photo Studio window will pop up, giving you access to various image editing tools. From here, locate the Crop and Extend section and click on it to expand those options. Within the Crop and Extend menu, look at the bottom section where you'll find 4 rotation buttons. These buttons are exactly what you need to change the orientation of your image. You have 4 choices available: rotate left, rotate right, flip horizontally, and flip vertically. Simply click on any of these buttons and watch as the image adjusts instantly. You can experiment with different orientations until you find the one that works perfectly for your needs. Once you've found the proper orientation of the image, simply click on Save. The image on your canvas will be adjusted accordingly, reflecting the changes you just made. And that's it, you've successfully rotated or flipped an image in Wix. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.